title of this mini podcast is In Be Dream. I woke up one morning with a word in my mind I had never heard before. In Be Dream. I had no idea what it meant, if anything. So I got curious about it, and here's what popped. In Be Dream. A state of awareness between dreaming and being fully awake. We've all experienced this frame of mind. It's a quiet time between busy periods. My experience suggests this is where all the magic happens, in between the busyness of a thought-filled day and the disjointed patchwork quilt known as dreaming. In Be Dream is the semi-awake time just before drifting off to sleep and the time just before becoming fully awake. Others have named the state of mind with other labels, but the important thing is not the naming of these periods, but the utilization of them. I saw a piece on the news that suggested one way of using this state of mind before retiring for sleep. Write down 3 things you're grateful for before nodding off. Use a notebook, a pad of paper, or a note card, and place it by your bedside. When you begin to awaken, bring those 3 things to mind again and let them bathe in that magical soup. I can't predict your results because I only know mine. To gain your own experience, do the exercise. It's easy enough. I suggest you give it a go and presto, see what happens. You can write down anything you want to imbue your mind with, but gratitude is a nice start. All the magic happens in between the spaces, between our thoughts, and this bedtime routine is a wonderful way to introduce yourself to a magic trick that produces magical results. Don't believe me? Take it out for a spin and drive over to Abracadabra Lane. In Be Dream may never make it into the dictionary, but if you practice the concept, don't be too surprised when you experience magic that words can't describe. All the best, John.